This video has been designed to support you with accessing the Techie Tea Party classrooms. The first step here I'm going to show you is mainly for those of you in East Lothian for how you would access Google Classroom, then join using the code. So what I have done is I've come to google.com, I've made sure I've signed in and I can see my picture in the top right hand corner, and then I'm going to select the 9 tiles and then select Google Classroom. Once you're signed in, this will just launch straight away, but if you've never used Classroom before, at this point it will ask you if you are a teacher or a student. There will be 2 different icons on the screen, and this is where you must select teacher as your role, as if you accidentally select student, you will not be able to create a classroom and you'll have to contact IT to get access to that. Once you're in, select the add sign at the top right, and if we hover over it, it will say create or join a class. We select this, select join class, and then here we can type in the class code. You will get that information on the Techie Tea Party website. Next, for those of you in Mid Lothian, this is again slightly different as you are accessing it via Glow. So I'm going to launch Glow. I'll sign into Glow. Make sure I've got the right password. That's always useful. And from here, if you do not have Google Classroom listed, we can jump to the Mid Lothian Council Launchpad and then find Google Classroom here. This just saves us having issues with having to log in with our mc.glow.scot, and then sometimes it will then launch the Glow login screen. It just makes it a bit smoother. Then you can add Google Classroom to your Launchpad. So what I did there was I selected the I next to Google Classroom so I could add it to my Launchpad so it's there for me in future. I will click on this icon, however, to open Google Classroom, and then this is the same for you. So make sure you select teacher rather than student so that you are able to create classrooms in future. And again, you'll need to contact the digital learning team if you have issues with this. Once you're here, it's the exact same process. We click on the add sign, join class, and then we type in the code. And again, this is available on the Techie Tea Party website. Once you're all into your Google Classroom, it will launch straight away. So once you've typed in that code, and then that will then give you access to the Techie Tea Party. Both look the exact same, the same information is on each. And this is where you will also see that we have got our recordings. These are also listed on the Techie Tea Party website. And if I just find the link to the website, you will find these under the webinar recordings. So this is where we can go back and we can view all of the webinars that have taken place so far, and you can catch up with what you may have missed if you're only just joining in. Again, in the Techie Tea Party website, this is where you can see join the classroom, where you will have accessed this video, and you will see the 2 codes for both East Lothian practitioners and Mid Lothian practitioners. If you have any other questions, please get in contact. If you're Mid Lothian, contact me via Glow in Microsoft Teams. And if you're in East Lothian, you will be able to send me an email using either my Edubuzz or my eastlothian.gov.uk.